Organizations lose countless hours to duplicate data entry and disconnected processes. No-Need DBS Solutions develops custom SharePoint platforms that link operational data across departments through intelligent workflows and connected lists. The result? Greater efficiency, improved accuracy, and a significant reduction in administrative waste. Welcome to Mondo Operations, a sample SharePoint-based platform developed by No-Need DBS Solutions. This demonstration showcases how business processes can be transformed into a connected digital ecosystem using Microsoft SharePoint. As we log in, we're immediately brought to the home screen. This serves as the central hub of the operation, providing management with quick visibility into the health of the business through key performance indicators and operational metrics. Rather than searching through multiple systems, decision-makers can access critical information from a single location. Across the top of the screen, you'll notice a series of menu options. These menus serve as gateways to different departments and business functions. One of the strengths of SharePoint is its ability to consolidate departmental processes into one integrated platform, while also extending connectivity to customers, suppliers, and external partners. Let's begin by exploring the purchasing menu. Within purchasing, we can access the vendor management section. Here, vendor management personnel can quickly review supplier information and identify vendors that are still awaiting approval. This view provides immediate visibility into the status of the vendor onboarding process. By expanding the list, users gain access to additional features, including the ability to edit records individually or update multiple records at the same time using a familiar table format. Each vendor record can contain supplier details, contact information, approval status, and supporting documentation. Any onboarding reports, certifications, or supporting documents can be attached directly to the vendor record, creating a complete history of the relationship in a single location. As an added layer of protection and organization, workflows can automatically save these documents into SharePoint document libraries. The records can be organized according to company requirements, making the system audit-friendly and simplifying future retrieval of information. Next, we move to the raw material management section. This area serves as an asset management platform where organizations can maintain a central database of materials and components used throughout their operations. Processes can be configured to automatically assign internal part numbers, eliminating manual numbering systems and improving consistency. Each material record can include photos, specifications, vendor information, pricing details, and any other attributes required by the business. This creates a catalog that is easy to search and use, whether the employee is experienced or completely new to the organization. The information captured here becomes foundational data that can be reused throughout the system. Instead of repeatedly entering the same information, employees can select existing materials and quantities directly from the database. Imagine the difference. Instead of filling out paperwork and re-entering information multiple times, an employee simply logs into the system, selects the materials they need, enters the required quantities, and submits a request. Once submitted, approval workflows can automatically route the request to the appropriate individuals. Approved requests can then proceed to vendor selection and purchasing activities, which can also be fully digitized within the platform. Now let's take a look at the vendor management solution created using Power Apps. The forms we've examined so far have been created using standard SharePoint functionality and do not require additional licensing. This can be a significant advantage for organizations seeking budget-friendly solutions. However, there are situations where Power Apps provides additional benefits. This example demonstrates a vendor management application built using Power Apps. Notice how the user experience becomes even more intuitive and responsive across desktop computers, tablets, and mobile devices. While this example is intentionally simple, it highlights the enhanced navigation, usability, and flexibility available through Power Apps development. Now let's explore additional functionality using our production management sample. One of the most powerful capabilities of SharePoint is the ability to manage bills of material and manufacturing specifications. In this example, each bill of material can contain component information, ingredient lists, recipes, standardized procedures, and training content. Training materials can include documents, images, videos, and work instructions. These resources can be developed efficiently by recording a process and converting that recording into step-by-step guides using tools available within the Microsoft ecosystem.
Materials, your brake area, your flow media, your resin inlet, and your vacuum out. So the melamine here that we're using.
Links to training materials can be embedded directly into the bill of material, or even accessed through QR codes, making information readily available on the production floor. When a production schedule is created, the system uses this foundational information to automatically calculate ingredient and component requirements based on the quantity of finished goods being produced. The calculated information is then generated as a work order and delivered directly to production personnel. Employees only see the information relevant to their specific responsibilities. Access is controlled through permissions, ensuring that users view the appropriate information at the appropriate time. As work progresses, the system can support multi-step manufacturing processes. For example, a 5-step production process can be configured so that each stage must satisfy defined release criteria before the next stage can begin. As materials are consumed during each production step, inventory levels can be automatically adjusted in real time. This ensures inventory accuracy and enables the organization to make timely purchasing decisions before shortages occur. The result is a connected ecosystem where purchasing, inventory management, production scheduling, training, quality, and operational reporting all work together using the same underlying data. And this is only a sample of what SharePoint is capable of. The real value comes from combining the power of the platform with process expertise and thoughtful system design.
At Noni DBS, we specialize in developing solutions that not only automate processes, but also support operational excellence, waste reduction, and data-driven decision-making. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help transform your business into a connected digital ecosystem.